Feeding the family night after night is hard enough, but doing it with limited time, zero energy, and not enough counter space? That's just frustrating. We all want to cook healthier meals at home, but reality gets in the way. Between juggling work, kids, and never-ending chores, pulling together a full meal, main, sides, everything, is a serious challenge. Then there's the mess. The oven, the hob, the air fryer, the steamer, the microwave. It's like using 5 appliances just to cook one dinner. If that sounds familiar, you're going to want to hear this. Because this next-level kitchen tool is about to change your cooking forever. Introducing the Ninja Combi 12-in-1 multi-cooker, oven and air fryer. This all-in-one appliance isn't just versatile, it's revolutionary. Combi Cooker mode combines steam and convection to cook meals faster, juicier and more evenly. A massive 12.5 L capacity means you can cook an entire meal, protein, veg, sides, all at once in one layer. 12 cooking functions let you do it all. Air fry, steam, grill, bake, roast, reheat, toast, pizza, slow cook, dehydrate, ferment, combi meals. You name it, Ninja Combi can do it, and faster than traditional ovens. An innovative front-opening door makes it super easy to access your food without having to reach into a deep drawer or lift a heavy lid. Imagine this, it's 6 p.m. You've got frozen chicken in the fridge. You're exhausted. With the Ninja Combi, you just load the chicken, add veg and potatoes to the tray, choose Combi meal mode, and boom! Everything's ready in under 30 minutes. Juicy, golden, delicious. No flipping, no checking, no babysitting. Or it's Sunday morning and you want to prep meals for the week. Use the steam plus bake mode to prep casseroles, lasagnas, roast veg, and even muffins or banana bread, all in one appliance, without overheating your kitchen. This is cooking with less stress, less mess, and fewer dishes. Perfect for busy parents, food lovers, or anyone who's just over the chaos of everyday cooking. And here's the kicker. You get all of this for just £279.99. That's less than the price of a standalone oven or high-end air fryer combined. But you're getting the power of 12 appliances in one ultra-smart device. Cook frozen food straight from the freezer. Make weeknight meals easier than ever. Use less oil and cook healthier. Cut down your cooking time and energy bill. Dishwasher safe parts equals minimal cleanup. This isn't just a gadget, it's a game changer for your kitchen. So if you're ready to cook smarter, not harder, free up your countertop, take the stress out of feeding your family, and actually enjoy cooking again, then the Ninja Combi 12-in-1 or Combi 12-in-1 is your new best friend. Make your kitchen work harder so you don't have to. The future of home cooking is here, and it's called Ninja Combi.